Hello everyone, I am going to be making some earrings today. This is Tammy from Blue Rain Pieces, and we're just going to make another pair of easy earrings. It's not going to take that long as I do with all my little easy earrings that I make. So let's get started. We are going to use some memory wire today. It keeps its shape, as you can see. Some head pins. That's just to put on the end of our beads to dangle. And these rondelles. They're so pretty. I may add in a couple of these little silver beads. Depends. I don't know yet. Some jump rings. We're going to need some of those. Some memory wire cutters. You want these because you don't want to use your regular cutters because it will destroy them. I don't have a memory wire needle nose pliers, but I'm just going to use my regular ones here. They seem to work fine. And some pliers, that's all. That's what we're going to need today. I've already cut my first piece. Let's cut my second piece. I may invest in the memory wire needle nose plier. Never know. So all we're going to do is cut, and I may just turn on another light. I can reach it. And so, let's use our memory wire cutters, and we're just going to cut another piece off. And we have our two pieces together, like so, like that. And I'm just going to take my pliers and put a little bend in both of them. I want the bend at the same spot, so I'm going to bend them together. I watched one of the ladies from, I believe, Jewel School do this, and we're just going to put a bend in it, and hopefully it goes correct, like so. There's our little bend. That's where our little bead is going to dangle from. And so I am going to cut these so they are even, which I don't need this much on here, so I'm just going to cut it down some. And so let's take them apart. And that is the shape we are going for, as you can see. And we're just going to we're going to bring it back and make a little oval inside. And I think I'm going to actually cut it just a little bit smaller. We're going to take our needle nose pliers and we're just going to round it in all the way until we get a circle, and it has to be closed, like so. That one's still just a little bit open, so I'm going to close it a little more. Like that. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to come in a little bit close. I'm just going out a little bit closer. And we're just going to do the same thing with this one. And I'm going to cut it down just a little bit more. And then we're just going to come in with our needle nose pliers and twist until we get it to come all the way in like that. There's our little loop, and I'm going to actually try to make sure it's touching. And that is our two earring pieces. Now all we're going to do is feed this through here, like that. I'm actually going to try to shape it so it sits up. Sits up. I'm going to put this through here. And again, make sure it's closed. Feed it through like that. There we go. Easy pair of earrings. So now, all we're going to do is take our top portion and we're going to make another loop. I'm going to cut it down a little bit because I don't think I need it that long. Put them together again. And, oops, get our memory wire cutter and cut. And all we're going to do is bring it back this way. Just keep going and going. And there you are. Just straighten it a little bit. Like so. And we're just going to do the same thing with this one. And just make sure it's even. Like so. And there basically is our earring. I could make my own ear wires, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to use the ones that I already have. I'm just fixing a little there we go. So I'm going to get rid of this piece of wire. And now we're just going to work with our two beads. And it's really simple. So I'm trying to decide if I want to just leave that on the bottom or to add one of these little pretty silver beads. So let's see, I got 3, only need 2. So let's put one on the bottom of our pinhead. And let's just put the other one on there. And there we go. And all we are going to do with our head pin is make a little wrap. I need a nose pliers. Like that, that's our loop. And we're just going to twist until we get to the top of that bead, which I was supposed to actually put it on first. So I'm going to actually do a different one. Let's cut this off. You could just use it and put a jump ring on there, but I kind of want it to not be able to come off. So I'm just going to redo it, not a problem. And if you don't have like the headpins you like, you can always use a piece of wire and make headpins out of them. And let's try that again. Again, there's our loop. Just trying to fix my loop. It's a little bit crooked. And then we're just going to hang on our other piece of wire. We're going to hold and wrap down. Like so, and then we're just going to cut off this little piece. We're going to tuck it so it's not getting caught on anything. That's our first, and like I said, if you wanted to dangle a little bit more, you can always put a jump ring onto that piece before you put it on there. So let's do our next bead. Same thing. Just gonna make us a loop like so. Don't forget to add on your wire, as I always do. But it's alright. You're gonna hold and we're going to wrap down. And that's as simple as it can get. You can use another pair of pliers to use to wrap down. This wire isn't that bad, so I'm using my hand. Sorry if I'm not in the camera. As you get towards the end, then it's a little harder. So I use my other pliers to bring it around. This one seems to be giving me a little bit of trouble trying to hold on to it. There we go. I need my pliers with the grip on it, but I'm getting it. Alrighty. All we're going to do is cut off that end. You can make these with silver wire, memory wire, so many different beads. It is truly, really up to you. I'm just going to turn this just a little bit more. You can work with it until it's to your liking. And there is our two basically earrings. All we have to do now is to add on a ear wire. I can make some, but I'm not going to. We're not even use any jump rings. I may put a jump ring on the ear wire. Just a little one. Definitely two different sizes. And we're going to get us some ear wires out. And some pliers, because we're going to add a little jump ring. Only because I want a little bit of more movement in the earring. And we're going to close. Close. And this is really it. Just making sure my jump ring is all the way closed, because if not, it's going to fall off. And that is the earrings. That is it. You can add different colored beads, different color wire if you want. But those are the earrings. They're so pretty. Just an easy little dangle. You can wear them to a party. You can wear them to work. It doesn't really matter. But I love them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please follow and subscribe. Thank you.